Today I'll show you how to make a phone call using the Sony XM5 and the iPhone. You can use your Sony XM5 to make a phone call while your iPhone is in your pocket. So I had my iPhone in my pocket and I made a phone call. I was talking and then music resumed playing. I had music playing and then music stopped for a moment to have the phone call and then it resumed. And the reason here, it's a bit difficult to show you this, how it works. I will try to make it so that the Sony XM5 headphones think that they are on my head, on my ears to play. The first thing to check before you can do this is to make sure that you have Siri and Apple Intelligence on the lock screen enabled. This is going to work only that way. Being able to call using only your headphones without touching your iPhone is really required. You have to have this. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So open the settings app and in the settings, look for Apple Intelligence and Siri. And then you look from here, you have lots of settings, but make sure the allow Siri when locked feature is enabled. This has to be enabled. If you have it enabled, you don't need to change anything, but I will turn it off just to show you. If you have it turned off, you will need to enter your passcode, the passcode of your iPhone. This is for safety, so nobody else will turn on this feature without you knowing. I entered the passcode and now this feature is enabled. Once you check that the Apple Siri and Apple Intelligence are allowed on the lock screen, you can try it. On the lock screen, you do a long press on the power button, on the side button. What's the weather today in Larnaca? What's the weather today in Larnaca?
Expect some clear skies today. The high temperature will be 22 degrees.
Okay. So it's telling me something, and I did this with the iPhone, but I want to show you that you can do it with the headphones. So first, I'll try to find a way. So I'll put my iPhone here on the side. You need to have your Sony XM5 headphones on your ears. You have to wear them for the commands to work. But I found a way. I put my fingers a little bit in the can here, pretending to be my ear, and then it's working. So the iPhone is locked now. And I want to show you what happens. To use this feature on the Sony XM5, you have the buttons on the left side, and on the right you don't have any buttons, really just a charging port. Here you have the touch commands, lots of options for touch interface. And here all you have to do is do one press on the right can, on the right side. I have to make sure that they think my ears are in the headphones. So I do all one press here. I'm not touching my iPhone. One press there. Okay. Call Dragos test CableNet.
Calling Dragos
And you can also.
Dial is not available at present. Please try later.
Ο αριθμός που έχετε καλέσει δεν ανταποκρίνεται αυτή τη στιγμή. Παρακαλώ, δοκιμάστε αργότερα.
The number you have called cannot be reached.
Okay, so that's how I hung up. So I will do one more test now. One press on the right side. Call Dragos CableNet test.
Calling Dragos test.
And I can do a hang up with a double press. So I do a double press here. Hang up, I can even play the next song. This is how you make a phone call with your Sony XM5 and your iPhone easily, but this has to be, the headphones have to be on your head, your ears have to be in the headphones, otherwise they will not know that you are trying to use them. I hope this helps you use your iPhone hands-free with the headphones. This will work with most headphones, most Bluetooth headphones, but the Sony XM5 is what I have here, and really they are my favorite headphones so far. Thanks for watching.